STHL, 19 years of expertise in PCBA manufacturing. As an EMS, Electronic Manufacturing Services, provider, STHL integrates R&D support, component sourcing, cost optimization, PCBA production, and mold and harness assembly into a seamless service. We are committed to delivering efficient and reliable electronic manufacturing solutions to global customers. Our R&D team comprises over 20 professional engineers. We provide precise cost-down strategies, accelerate product development, and seize market opportunities. From design to delivery, we maintain rigorous control throughout the entire process, ensuring the production of high-quality PCBA. Partnering with high-end supply chains, we reduce costs by 10 to 20% while mitigating the risk of supply shortages. Utilizing a flexible and intelligent production model, we precisely align with the rapid iteration of consumer electronics, enabling the swift launch of over 500 new products annually. 12 quality checkpoints embody our commitment to quality-first production, ensuring full process traceability. AOI, X-ray, and ICT inspections. We offer one-stop manufacturing support, including plastic mold development, injection molding, housing assembly, finished product testing, and aging testing. Achieving efficient end-to-end manufacturing. Currently has served over 300 enterprises in more than 60 countries worldwide, including Littelfuse, Hisense, Myriad Medical, Corsair, and other famous brands. Our products cover smart home, automotive electronics, medical, industrial, and other fields. Build the future with quality, leading the era with innovation. STHL, your trusted one-stop PCBA manufacturer.